The Triumph Scrambler 400Xe has been spotted in testing, hinting at a more off-road capable version of the Scrambler 400X. Is Triumph preparing to expand its 400cc lineup with a more rugged adventure-ready machine? Let's break down everything we know so far. The Scrambler 400Xe test mule shares the foundation of the Scrambler 400X but features noticeable upgrades. A taller stance, longer travel suspension, and possibly a 21-inch front wheel suggest a stronger focus on tackling rough terrain. Expect higher ground clearance and beefier suspension components, likely enhancing the bike's off-road credentials. The XE variant may borrow technology from its larger 900 and 1200cc Scrambler siblings, offering better damping and adjustability. The familiar 398cc single-cylinder engine from the Scrambler 400X and Speed 400 should power the XE model. However, Triumph could tweak the fueling and gearing for improved low-end torque and better off-road usability. The Spyshots show a slightly different rear subframe, possibly accommodating better off-road ergonomics. Expect dual-purpose tires, rugged body work, and a few adventure-focused design tweaks over the standard model. Pricing will likely be slightly above the standard Scrambler 400X, making it a solid option for riders seeking a more capable small-displacement Scrambler. The Triumph Scrambler 400Xe could be a game-changer for those who want a lightweight, factory-built Scrambler with real off-road potential. What do you think? Does the Z make sense for Triumph's 400cc lineup? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle updates.